Next, let us go to a problem that the length of the common chord of the two circles of radii 5, 5 root 2 which intersect at angles 45 degrees to each other. See the rough diagram of this problem. There is a circle and another circle with the radius 5 and 5 root 2 which are intersecting. So angle between the circles is nothing but angle between the tangents at their point of intersection. Now this theta is 45 degrees. Now you require the length of their common chord. We have a formula to relate it to this one in this way. That is, if two circles S equal to 0 and S dash equal to 0 intersect at theta angle and R1, R2 are their radii, then the common chord is got by the formula 2 into R1 and R2 into sine of the inclination by root over R1 square plus R2 square plus 2 into R1 R2 into cos of the inclination. So obviously here if you substitute the values, then we will get the length of the common chord is equals to 2 into R1 is 5, R2 is 5 root 2. The sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2 divided by root over R1 square is 25 and R5 root 2 is 25 to the 50 plus 2 into 5 root 2 into cos theta is equals to 1 by root 2. Implies this 1 by root 2 cancels with this root and left with this 5 as a 25 to the 50 divided by 50 plus 25 75. And here this root 2 gets cancelled. 5 as a 25 to the 50. So that is equals to 125 root over. Implies it is 50 by 125. 25 5 that is equal to 5 root 2. This goes 10 times. 10 by root 2. So 10 you can write it as 5 into 2. Therefore this goes 5 root 2 will be the correct option. 5 root 2. So option D is going to be the correct option for this question.